Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum. I'm going to play around with something new here. This is the LG Gram. This is one of their new thin line style of a MacBook Air kind of laptop. This is a big, box that I have for a laptop because this is a 17-inch model. So this is a pretty big screen for that. 17-inch screen. Wow. So open it up. And it's got its little G, part of LG. This is the Gram. Let's take a look at what we got here. We've got an Ethernet connector that goes into USB. That's pretty neat if you need it. It's got a cable for the port because it does have a proprietary plug to plug in for power. But I have heard you've been able to use the USB port for power as well. So what else we got in here before I get into this? Just right up on that. Okay, let me get rid of those. Put that down there. I'll put it right here. Out of the way. Okay, so automatically see that there's, come on, speakers on the bottom here. I should have done that one. There we go. Speakers go on the bottom, so there must be some little bit of a lip and ability for it to not be covered by the, when I put it down. Okay, so there's USB power. It looks as well as its standard power. We'll have to check to see what kind of plugs I have that'll work for that USB power. We have HDMI. We have USB, headphone, micro SD, and then your security lock thing. It's got that screen on it here, and I will leave that there. But let's take a look at what this looks like. I don't know if it's going to be powered up or anything, or it's got enough juice in it. Whoa, look at that. That is thin bezels. That's getting in there quite well. That is a thin bezel, and I love a new screen that hasn't been touched yet. This isn't a touch screen, so I won't worry about ruining it. Backup lighting keyboard, that's kind of nice, especially working in the dark. Very nice, easy, touchpad, and it is touchable. Pretty cool, gotta say. Let's see what the little screen looks like. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to tell from here what the quality of the screen is, but yeah, so it's got a number pad, because that's kind of a big, huge base, so we're obviously going to have space for a number pad. That's huge. That's going to be way bigger than my Pixelbook. But we'll start playing around with it, and we'll see what you think. Yeah. I've been kind of gotten rid of all my PC devices at home, so this will be a nice change of pace to try this out. Alright. I'll have a full review up in probably about a week or so. You guys let me know what you think. Thanks. Bye.